Finance Minister presented this year's Union Budget with a sartorial style that she has carefully crafted over the years. In her 2026 presentation, Nirmala Sitharaman wore a hand-woven Kanchivaram silk sari from Tamil Nadu, continuing her strategy of showcasing traditional Indian handloom weaves on Budget Day. The maroon-purple sari with subtle golden checks and a brown border reminded us of the craftsmanship and heritage associated with Kanchivaram silk. Finance Minister's visual communication via the language of saris is not new. Since taking charge in 2019, the Finance Minister has donned significant statement-making handloom saris each year while presenting the Union Budget. In her debut, Sitharaman made a statement with a bright pink Mangalgiri silk sari with a gold border. She also ditched tradition and opted for a traditional bahikhata to wrap the budget papers in place of a briefcase. She did not follow the trend. She created a few of her own. In the pandemic year of 2020, Finance Minister chose a crisp gold silk sari. The bright color, which signifies prosperity and abundance, was sending out a subtle message as well. In 2021, Sitharaman wrapped a red and off-white silk Pochampalli sari with ikat patterns from Telangana. While presenting the budget in 2022, the Finance Minister wore a rust and maroon handloom Bomkai weave with silver threadwork in the border. Bomkai saris are a geographical indication or GI tagged handloom treasure from Odisha's Ganjam district. In 2023, the Finance Minister was seen in a red Ilkal silk sari with Navalgunda embroidery on it. The sari from Dharwad in Karnataka is a South Indian gem. The sari had peacock, lotus, chariot and Gopuram motifs embroidered on it. In 2024, she presented the interim budget on February 1st. She wore a blue tussar silk sari with Katha embroidery from West Bengal. Katha stitch embroidery is a traditional hand embroidery style known for its detailed thread work and nature-inspired motifs. On July 23, 2024, Nirmala Sitharaman created history as she became the first to present 7 budgets in a row, 6 annual budgets and 1 interim. Only former Prime Minister Morarji Desai had been able to come close to this feat. He had presented 6 union budgets. She marked this occasion by wearing off-white Mangalgiri weave from Andhra Pradesh. The budget speech also included support for Andhra Pradesh and Bihar, including infrastructure and development commitments. Then came the hand-painted treasure of 2025. Finance Minister's attire to present the Union Budget was an off-white handloom silk sari with a tribute to Bihar's Madhubani art. Dulari Devi, a Padma awardee, made this sari. By wearing a Madhubani sari, Sitharaman showcased the crafts of Bihar, also emphasized the value of promoting products with a GI tag, which serves as both an economic asset and a cultural preservation tool. Sartorial symbolism or sari diplomacy. However you look at it, Finance Minister proves in politics you can send a message in a million ways. Bureau Report, India Today.